I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Guys, I'm back with another great product review. This right here is the Shark Fabric Steamer. Shark Fabric Steamer. This steamer right here is for superior output. You can pick this up at any of your local retailer. It ranges from around $40 to $50 depending on where you get it from. It's no water spilling. It removes wrinkles easily. It's compact, easy to use. You can use it on clothes, curtains, most all fabrics, and it heats up real easily. I'm going to basically show you guys how this thing works and how it's assembled. These are the various pieces. It comes in basically 3 different pieces. I already have this one put together, but it's real easy. Your main unit right here. Basically, you have your power cord here that plugs in. You have a top here where the hose goes, and right here is where you put your water in. You fill your water up here, and here's a little reservoir. You fill it up to the max, and then you're all set. That's basically it. Then once you got your water in there, like so, here's your power button right here. And then basically all you do, next piece that you have is you have your base. Also comes with an additional brush if you want to brush off like a sofa or something like that. So basically what you do, you just sit that down like so, push in the little lock. Then you just come over here and you plug it up like so. Now if you don't already have your hose attached, which you probably won't in the beginning, you just take your hose and it basically this locks in place. You don't really have to rotate it too much. You got a little arrow right there, just follow the arrow. And then once you put that down, and once turn and it locks in place. Now I'm going to turn this on so you can see how fast this thing heats up. See, right now, it's not hot at all. It's not even on. And like I say, this attachment goes on the front to where you can do sofa or anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this on. Here's the power button. So let's turn that on. Like so. Now you see it's on. And there's the water in there. The water is heating up. And like I said, it heats up pretty fast. And you can just, this is actual real time as it heats. You saw what time I turned it on. And now, here's the end of it. And you can see how fast this thing heats up. It has a little cover that comes over here. So this thing gets really hot. It gets real hot. We found that out the hard way. So definitely do not, has this on here. So this comes off. But you definitely want to keep this white cover on this thing because without it, it will burn you. And you can hear it. And as you can see, it's starting to warm up right now. Pretty soon you're going to see the steam coming out of it just that quick. I think it usually takes maybe 3 minutes, if that long. And then this right here, this arm is adjustable. So you can raise this up and down however you want. And then like I say, the little base right here just sits right on top of it, like so. And it just sits right on. Can you hear it? There it is. Look at the steam. Steam is already coming out of it. Trying to get a good angle for you guys so you can see. There it is. You see the steam coming off of it? See, this thing is already, look at that. It's already hot, just that quick. It's already that hot. You can use this on pretty much any fabric. You see that steam? See that steam coming off of it right there? And basically, you just take it, just go like this on any fabric. So, in these times where we got a lot of stuff going on with being clean and sanitized, they say, heat kills the virus. You can just do this on any type of thing. and then just kill the heat. What we do is we actually, you know, when we buy our groceries, we take this and do our groceries with this, so that we can clean our groceries out when we buy them. So you can use it on pretty much any surface there. And also, like such, just like clothes, you know, look at that steam. Look at that steam coming off there. You can really see it there. Look at that. You can use this on curtains. You know, you can clean, you know, your curtains off like this. Well, look at that steam. This thing gets extremely hot, so definitely be careful. You can clean off curtains with it, coats. So definitely, you know, if you guys looking for a nice steamer, this is what you want right here. This is what you want. You want the Shark steamer, the Shark fabric steamer. Definitely affordable. Like I said, it ranges between $40 and $50. And you can get it at most of the retailers. It works fast, gets hot, and it's easy. And you can also pick it up and carry this part around, so you don't even have to carry the roller. So definitely, if you guys want to be interested in this, make sure you get this, pick this up. I'm definitely including a link below where you can pick it up, get a nice little discount on it. So definitely click that link below and get your Shark fabric steamer. See you guys on the next review.